you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Roblox, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check Roblox server status. Visit the Roblox status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your device completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Step 3. Update Roblox. Ensure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies. For the Roblox app, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear any corrupted data. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to address the cloud save error and continue enjoying your Roblox experience.